Number 875, Bravo Charlie, where are you parking?
Odyssey.
Number 875, Bravo Papa Roger. Expedite down the runway, make a right turn on taxiway Bravo, and stand by for crossing.
All right, right turn on Bravo, we'll stand by for crossing, 5 Bravo Charlie.
Number 727 Echo Sierra, runway 14, wind check 070 at 07, clear to land.
14, clear to land, 7 Echo Sierra.
All right.
This is Bravo Tango Mike, is with you, right, base 9.
Bravo Tango Mike, Roger, continue.
Continue.
All right.
The 355 Tango Alpha is number 1, full length, runway 14.
Roger. Number 875, Bravo Charlie, cross runway 09, expedite and contact ground point 7, entering Kilo.
Okay, clear to cross 9, we'll go over to ground, approaching Kilo, 5 Bravo Charlie.
All right.
Tower, helicopter 139 Alpha Kilo is ready for departure, apron 5.
Roger. Helicopter 139 Bravo Kilo clear lift off, remain well clear, proceed to the east initially.
Clear to take off to the east, 139 Alpha Kilo.
Roger. Number 1 at the threshold, runway 14, what's your call sign?
November 355 Tango Alpha, we're number 1, ready to go.
Number 355 Tango Alpha, Roger. Number 2 at the threshold, what's your call sign?
Lima Alpha November.
Lima Alpha November, Roger. And November 28 Alpha Papa, you're now number 1, Foxtrot confirmed.
Affirmative.
Line up and base. November 727 Echo Sierra, vacate left on taxiway Echo and contact ground point 74, taxi instructions.
Left on Echo, contact the ground, 7 Echo Sierra.
Roger.
Bravo Nassau, ground control, good day sir. You are number 6 in general aviation, standby.
Nassau ground, Golden Eagle 727 Echo Sierra, vacated on Echo and then taxi to Jet Aviation.
Echo Sierra, Nassau ground control, taxi in via Hotel 5.
Hotel 5, 7 Echo Sierra, thank you.
I'm ground, Mike, in Charlie.
Mike and Charlie, go.
Hey, you got one with just moving from Fox, take a put it down or not?
Negative, advise you to take it to the end at this time.
Pretty hard to do bad, right?
Bahamas 355, Nassau ground, a taxi, holding point at 14 via Hotel.
14 via Hotel, Bahamas 355.
Bahamas 353, follow company, holding point at 14 via Hotel. Bahamas 353, just copy.
Can you say again for 353?
Follow company, holding point at 14 via Hotel.
Okay, follow company, holding point 14, Bahamas 353.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha, join Lima, hold short of runway 14.
Request a Kilo Bravo 414.
Roger, join Kilo, hold short of runway 09.
Kilo, hold short 09. Tango and Alpha.
And ground Bahamas 355, Foxtrot available for us now?
Negative, that's Aztecs and 402s at this time.
Okay.
Roger. Bahamas 355, joining Hotel, contact Tower 195.
Jet Aviation, Golden Eagle 7 Echo Sierra.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha, holding short of runway 09 Kilo, contact Tower 195.
How about the taxi with Fox in India?
I mean, standby, you're next to the taxi, standby. Bahamas 355, joining Hotel, contact Tower 985.
Okay, Johnny Hotel over Tower, that's Bahamas 353.
Tower 353. Bahamas 355, contact Tower 985. Foxy MYNN Nassau, ground a taxi to Foxtrot via Hotel.
Foxtrot via Hotel, Foxy MYNN.
Sierra Delta Alpha Nassau ground, join Hotel and taxi to Foxtrot, give way to Flamingo Beach 99.
Delta.
Kilo Alpha Mike next.
Kilo Mike standby. Sierra to Alpha Nassau ground.
Nassau ground, Charlie 6 Bravo Tango Mike is at Bravo, out of mangrove, key face 3 bliss.